This is Realme 8 64 megapixel quad camera Android mobile, which has Realme UI 11, and I bought it yesterday from Realme showroom. I had already ordered JBL Zip 20 hands-free kit, which has a L-shaped connector and better bass, and it is comfortable enough to get fit in the ears. I had already opened the box yesterday, and it was activated for warranty, and yesterday I installed all these applications. The screen is very smooth. It has 6 GB RAM and 128 GB memory and 30-watt dart charger. It has Super AMOLED screen with 60 Hz refresh rate. And front camera is also 16 megapixel. It can record at 4K 30 fps. I will post some videos in the end of the review, but right now I am unboxing this JBL mic hands-free kit. Since no mobile brand is offering hands-free kit in the box, that's why we have to order it separately. All of them have 3.5 mm dedicated jack, but if you will use the non-branded, then the jack will become faulty. It is a renewed or refurbished, and it costed only 299 rupees, while MRP of the product is 999, and it can be bought at 599. But even then the box has not been opened. Most probably the product which are returned back, since the customer hadn't decided properly. These products are available at much lesser cost than the MRP. You can see it has deep bass sound, hands-free calling, and stereo info ear headphone. We'll compare the quality of 4K camera with that of FitSpark, through which I am presently recording. Both possess 4K at 30 fps, but FitSpark has image stabilization and Realme 8s has equivalent image stabilization, but we don't need much image stabilization when we are broadcasting with stable hands. So it has a JBL Infinity logo embossed on both hands-free buds, and the left or right are clearly mentioned. Let's check the quality through Spotify. There is a small box containing spare earbuds sponge, and there are 4 in number. But I think the smallest one will fit in my ears. First of all, I will check the quality of the speakers. Then we will insert the 3.5 mm jack. I am raising the volume over a stipulated limit. The bass quality is brilliant. And the coaxial cable is also good quality, containing several layers of protection. We can feel the bass only if we will press it too hard, but otherwise the quality is excellent. If you don't want much treble and listen to it 75% of the top volume, then they are good enough. They are not annoying the ears also. And external voices are not hard. It seems that we are wearing a band type hands-free kits, and it will not fall down easily when we will bicycle or run. That's why I opted for Zip 20. Now I will simultaneously record the 4K video from my Realme 8K. I haven't even activated the camera itself. You can see that I have to press the OK button. Then only it will be available. Let's complete the video settings in the advanced settings mode. Click on the flip selfie so that symmetrical reverse image will not be Now we have to switch on the 4K. You can check that the 4K section. We have to check that box so that 4K recording can be enabled. In 1080 60 fps is also supported. Even my FitSpark can support 60 fps, but we have to switch off the image stabilization mode. So at 4K we will check the resolution. Video encoding is also set at best compatibility H.264. I will record it in horizontal mode. Earlier I tested the camera through YouTube Live, but I deleted that video because horizontal modes can't be posted in YouTube Live. I will point towards the room and we will compare the quality with each other. Now I will shut down the video mode and pause the FitSpark. Now I am recording simultaneously. This video will be posted separately in my YouTube so that I can compare the FitSpark 4K 30 fps with image stabilization. But Realme 8s has image stabilization also. But since I am moving the cameras so smoothly, the quality will not differentiate with each other.